Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. Today we will learn how to password protect an Excel workbook. So let's begin the video. First, open your Excel workbook that you want to password protect. Now go to the File tab and click on Info. This will display information about the workbook. Under Info, click on Protect Workbook. A drop-down menu will appear. In the drop-down menu, select Encrypt with Password. Now in this dialog box, set a strong password. Make sure it's something you can remember. After setting the password, click OK in the dialog box. Save your workbook to apply the password protection. When you reopen the workbook, Excel will ask you to enter the password to access the content. That's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.